Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Labubu Popsicles. First, gather all your ingredients and tools, like your Labubu mold, popsicle sticks, and your chosen liquid base. Next, ensure your mold is clean and ready. Then prepare your popsicle mixture, whether it's fruit juice, yogurt, or a creamy blend. Finally, you'll fill the molds and freeze them until they are perfectly solid and ready to enjoy. To begin, make sure your Labubu popsicle mold is sparkling clean and completely dry. Any moisture can affect the final product. Now, let's create your delicious popsicle base. You can blend fresh fruits with juice, use a creamy yogurt, or even a rich chocolate milk. Feel free to add a touch of honey, maple syrup, or other flavorings to taste. Blend everything until it's wonderfully smooth. With your base ready, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully pour your mixture into each Labubu cavity, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. Next, gently insert your popsicle sticks, ensuring they stand straight. This helps create a perfect handle. Now, place the entire mold flat in your freezer. Allow them to freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours or until completely firm. Once your Labubu popsicles are frozen solid, it's time for the exciting part, demolding. Briefly run the outside of the mold under warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps loosen them. Then, gently pull each popsicle from its mold. They should slide out easily. Serve your delightful Labubu treats immediately, or store any extras in an airtight freezer bag for up to 2 weeks of sweet enjoyment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.